Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix and edit the mobile version of your Wix site. This is especially useful if you've already finished your desktop design and now want to make sure the same website looks clean and professional on phones. If your website looks great on desktop but feels a little off on a phone or smaller screen, don't worry. Wix makes it very easy to review and adjust your mobile layout directly inside the editor. Since a large number of visitors may view your website from a mobile device, checking this version can make a big difference in the overall user experience. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can quickly clean up the mobile version of your site and make it easier for visitors to use. We'll focus on simple layout checks that can help your pages feel more organized without changing the overall style of your website. To begin, go to the page where you edit your site in Wix. This is the main editor area where you normally make changes to your website's design, text, images, and layout. Make sure you're on the correct page before switching views, especially if your site contains several different pages. Once you're inside the editor, take a look toward the top right corner of the editing page. You'll see a mobile icon there. That icon is what lets you switch from the standard desktop view into the mobile editing view. This makes it easy to compare how the same page looks across different screen sizes. Go ahead and click the mobile icon. As soon as you do, Wix will show you the mobile version of your site. You'll now be able to focus specifically on how the page is arranged for visitors using phones and smaller displays. This view is specifically designed to help you understand how your website appears on mobile devices, which is important because elements that look properly spaced on desktop can sometimes appear too large, too close together, or slightly misaligned on smaller screens. For example, a heading that looks balanced on desktop may take up too much space on mobile, or two buttons may appear too close together for comfortable tapping. From here, you can interact with the elements on the page to fix the mobile version of your site. That means you can click on different sections, text boxes, images, buttons, and other content to adjust how everything is arranged in the mobile layout. You may need to move certain elements, resize them, or create a little more space between sections so the page feels easier to follow. As you work, pay close attention to spacing, readability, and how easy it is for someone to scroll through the page on a phone. The goal is to make sure everything looks clean, organized, and easy to tap and read. Buttons should be easy to select, text should be large enough to read comfortably, and important content should not feel cramped. Take your time as you review each section. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how professional your site feels on mobile. Even simple changes like adding more space around a button or slightly adjusting an image can make the page feel much more polished. It's also a good idea to look over the entire page rather than only fixing one area, since a smooth mobile experience depends on the full layout working well together. Scroll from the top of the page all the way to the bottom and check headings, images, buttons, menus, and any forms or important calls to action along the way. And that's it. Once you're in the mobile view, you can directly work with the elements and improve the mobile version of your Wix site. After making your changes, preview the page if possible so you can see how the final layout feels from a visitor's perspective. It's a simple process, but it's one of the most important final checks you can make to ensure your website looks polished and works well for mobile visitors. Spending a few extra minutes reviewing the mobile version can help create a smoother experience for anyone visiting your website from a phone.